Hi guys, my name is Shanth Reddy and my registration number is 015CH228. Now I am going to do my fifth experiment in web technology lab. So the fifth experiment is based on JavaScript. In this JavaScript, by using this JavaScript, I am going to create a BMI calculator, which is used for the functions. You know about the calculator, right? What are the functions of the calculator? That is plus, subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. So like that, you can convert. Here I have used some functions also for converting the centimeters and inches into centimeters and centimeters into feet. Everything whatever you want, you can give. So this is BMI calculator. So first of all, BMI calculator is nothing but sorry friends, that is calculating about our height and weight and how much weight you should be there according to your weight, according to your height, how much weight you should be there. So that thing, the BMI calculator shows. The first thing what I have told, that is normal calculator. So where is that? And you can see here. So BMI calculator. So for this BMI calculator, so this is the following code, HTML code, which you are going to see here. So first of all, I'll show you the web page how it works. Here, just I have created a table generator. How the table is going to create? If you give the number of columns and number of rows, so the table will be coming like this, something like this. You can give whatever you want. Here I used the small concept of table generator, and after that you can calculate your BMI. So enter weight in kgs. If I'm giving my weight 69 and height as okay, then you are going to see, I'm going to see my BMI. So underweight, it is showing like this. So if you give whatever, you can give whatever the weight you want. If I'm giving 100, so it will be showing. If you give large weight, it will show as overweight, like this. Yeah. So it is based on the code, you can see here. So you can give a feet here. If you suppose if you give 5.7, you can get as 173 centimeters. So it is calling like this. Yeah, you can convert the kgs into, you can convert whatever you want to lbs. um, so, this thing I have made, this is the adding pot pattern of pizza making. So small package, here I have ordered one and medium one and large one. So the tip, you can tip also you can give as 10%. You can give whatever you want according to your, so calculate order. So the ordered amount will be showing here. It will be generated inside the code, as what we have given over there. The calculation will not shown in the web page, but it will be doing inside it. So this is the following HTML page about BMI calculator. So I'm going to explain now. uh, so this is the title, BMI calculator. Here I have used the three functions. Centimeter converter, you can give the function name whatever you want: centimeter converter, inch converter, and feet converter. So for converting the for converting the given input into centimeters, have used the document dot converter dot inch equals to, so the value whatever we want, we can give here 2.54. so for converting the inch into feet, so like that only it works. So for feet, I have to give 30.48. Okay, so this is the inch converter. So document dot converter dot centimeter dot value. So for converting the centimeters into feet, for inch, we need to give as 2.4 and into 12. So these calculation and all you can get from mathematic applications, which you have learned previously in your basic classes. And So here I'm using the function read rows. in this I equals to pass in document dot get element by id rows dot value. So this is for getting the rows and columns according to the values what we are going to give. If is nan I alert table cannot be created. It is nothing but if you give the same number of rows and columns, it will show that so you cannot create the table. So read column. So this is j equals to parse in document dot get element by id columns dot value. If is NAND, alert table cannot be created. This is the values how we are going to give. So if you give the not selected values for which it will be not convenient for the creation of a table, it will show as table cannot be created. So for the function table, I am giving the two variables I and j. So where equals to, so here I have taken the variable as table, and table where table equals to so here in this here I am going to create a table border equals to with border 1 and variables as xy. Here I am using the for loop for the creation of a table how it is going to happen. So x equals to 0, x is less than I, so x is incremented, then table equals to, so whatever the inside the table it will come as comma. So this is the inner for loop, in for loop inside a for loop. So y equals to 0, y is less than j, and y plus plus, and table equals to something, and should close it, and again table. So and again table. The last console dot log table. So here in the last document dot get element by id container one, you can give whatever you want in the here dot inner html equals to table. Here the JavaScript starts. Uh, Previously we done the table part, so the table part has been finished now, and we have given the functions over there for converting the centimeters into the inch and weight into the lbs, everything whatever we need. So that functions we are going to use here in the JavaScript, same like as Java, what we have done previously. That and all we are using here now. So body, so this is for following web page how it is going to be body color and background repeat, background size, cover, everything, and heading text align center color pink and dot red. Here I have taken the elements as red, and in the heading itself red gray, so color green text align 40 pixels. So whatever want you can give according to it. So the body will be starting here. So the scripting will be has been continuing inside the body also. So the script source equals to table. So table will be table generator is a heading what we are going to have in the web page. Rows equals to input type equals to text. So this is if you see clearly in the web page, you are getting this row, right? For this we are going to have a syntax like input type equals to text and name equals to rows. So label you can use instead label or p also for getting. So rows equals to input type equals to text, id equals to row, on change read row. This is the function what we have given in the script. So read columns. So these are the functions what we have given previously and defined it. So everything so this is now calculated bmi calculator, enter your weight, for that also the same syntax, input type equals to text and id equals to t2 placeholder in numbers. So a placeholder is used for entering the thing whatever it should come. So input type equals to button. So here we are creating a button as bmi. If you click that bmi, you can see here in the web page, yeah, here this is what button. If you click here, you can see your bmi according to your weight and height. Yeah. So So the height is 200 and width is, so the this is nothing but BMI just table, just BMI image I'm showing here. So field set, this is used for getting a field type of box, um, for input, for giving input. And so the BMI function, how the BMI will be calculations are over here. If BMI is less than 18 plus 18, then it will show as underweight. If BMI is greater than 18 and less than 25, it will show as ideal. So if it is more than 30, it will show as obese. So this is what happening in the BMI. So this is nothing but a length converter. So here also same thing, enter a feet, input type equals to text and name equals to feet, on change feet converter into centimeters. Here also you can change the centimeters into feet and feet into centimeters, whatever you want. So here also I have given a button uh, for getting the value. So the weight converter, here the weight you can get as kgs and lbs. Here you can see the input type equals to text, id equals to data, select id, form is nothing but you can get the two things as kg and lb. You can see in the following web page. As you can see here, as you are going to click here, you are getting two values. For getting this only I have done this. uh, so this thing will be working like this. So the function converter, this is used for converting the elements, form to everything, whatever we need. And here I have used the index equals to 0 and the index is 1 equals to 0 and the document answer. So it will, so for picture creation, you can this and all HTML you can see over here. So for pizza order delivery, what the code we have used is input type equals to text and id small large everything what we are going to have here. So the input radio type equals to value 10%, for this is for getting a tip, whatever you want. So the pizza function has been done here. So how it is going to calculate, so the total calculation uh, in the first time when I'm going to enter a small pizza as one, medium one and large one, I got one amount, right? You can see here. Yeah, here, see, here I have given it 3 as ones, and tip% as 10%. So if I calculate the order, 770 is coming. So the entire calculation has been done in that pizza function. That is what I'm going to tell about. So where total equals to, so this thing. So this is for the first one, small pizza, 20 into m and 400 into l. So that is large pizza. So enter the total calculation is has been done over here. You can see. Hence, I have covered the in this web page. You are not only getting the BMI. Uh, I'm converting a table. I'm showing you a table generator and BMI calculator and height to feet, inches to feet and feet to inches converter and kgs to lbs converter and pizza order, whatever you want you can give according to your knowledge. And you can use different techniques for having, so this is what I'm going to tell. So this is about JavaScript in HTML. Thank you.